Welcome all of the viewers, all of the students. Today I am going to discuss the remaining part of the dimension and usage of dimension. In the first video already discussed the most of the things. So let us proceed. Your topic is usage of dimensions. Usage of dimension. And third example, to derive an expression for physical equation or to derive an expression, derive, not expression, to derive the relation among the different physical quantities. Now the solution: to derive an expression for physical equation. So now we have to consider the example of the simple pendulum. So now consider a simple pendulum of mass m, length L, and time t. It is assumed that the time period of simple pendulum may depends on the mass, length of the pendulum, and the place where the acceleration due to gravity is small g. So numerically it is represented as t proportional to m to the power a, l to the power b, g to the power c, and therefore t equal to k, m to the power a, l to the power b, g to the power c, equation number 1, where k equal to dimensionless constant. Now write down the dimensional formula in the both sides and comparing to find out the powers or exponent value. So m naught, l naught, t, the dimensional formula in the left hand side, and in the right hand side, m to the power a, l to the power b, lt minus 2 to the power c. Comparing and equating. Here m to the power a, l to the power b plus c, and t to the power minus 2c. So comparing and equating the physical quantities in the both sides, we get a equal to 0 minus 2c equal to 1, so c is equal to minus half, and b plus c, l equal to 0, so b equal to minus c minus half, and therefore b equal to half. So a equal to 0, b equal to half, and c equal to minus half. Substituting these all values in equation 1, and simply we get t is equal to k, m naught, l half, g minus half, and finally t equal to k root under l by g. in this case, in this situation, it is found that experimentally the value of k equal to 2 pi, and hence t is equal to 2 pi root under L by G. So it can be written also like that if the value is known or found that experimentally, so t is equal to 2 pi root under L by G. So in this way the equation and the relation is derived. Now consider the example number 2. So one of the example 4, if force, length and time be the fundamental physical quantities, then find the dimensional formula of any derived or fundamental physical quantity, formula like of density, not only density, whatever with the different physical quantity, either fundamental or derived. Now we place here to find the dimensional formula of the density. The solution is very simple way. The density, it seems that the density depends on F, L and T with the power A, B and C. So D equal to K, F to the power A, L to the power B, T to the power C, where K equal to dimensionless constant, D proportional to F. To find out the D in terms of F, L and T, so D proportional to F, L and T. Write down the dimensional formula in the both sides. Density is equal to mass by volume. So mass by volume and T naught. And here m L T minus 2 to the power A, L to the power B, T to the power C. Here m to the power 0, L minus 3, T naught. Sorry, m L minus 3, T naught, and equal to m to the power A, L to the power A plus B, and T to the power minus 2C. Comparing and equating. Comparing and equating the fundamental physical quantity in the both sides to find out the exponent value. So here equating we get A equal to 1, and now A plus B. So A plus B, L to the power minus 3, and this one is the 1 plus B equal to minus 3, and therefore so B equal to minus 4, and now minus 2C equal to naught, sorry, T to the power minus 2C, T to the power minus 2A plus C, minus 2A plus C, so minus 2A plus C equal to this one, and C equal to 2A, A equal to 1, so C equal to simply 2, this and this one. Therefore A is equal to 1, B equal to minus 4, and C equal to 2. Substituting the value of ABC in the expression. So here density equal to m to the power, F to the power A, L to the power minus 4, and T to the power 2. So this is the dimensional formula, F, L minus 4 and T square. So in this way, and now the second method, alternative. Someone also found that the density equal to mass by volume mass by L cube equal to density m L minus 3, and here force is equal to mass into acceleration F by m, m equal to F by A, so m equal to F L minus 3 by A, F equal to F L minus 3, acceleration LT minus 2, and therefore F L minus 4 T square, and in this way the method also can be used, and also used F L minus 4 T square. It is used more frequently if you have in the position to define and convert easily. So D is equal to F L minus 4 T square, D equal to F L minus 4 T square, and in this way. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye.